So problem 12.7. I have a modulus of rupture of 650 psi. I have a load transfer coefficient of 3.2. Serviceability loss from 4.5 to 2. That's a PT of 2.5, which means it's a major highway. PT of 2.5. Poor drainage with 5% of time near saturation. I go to my table 12.20. Poor 5%. I'm gonna pick one from the range available. It's 1 2.9, so I just pick one. Determine the performance traffic by the final equation without the reliability term. So that means our ZR and S0 are 0 because those are our reliability factors or term. And then the modulus of elasticity of my pavement is 4 times 10 to the 6. My modulus of elasticity of the subbase is 30,000. And my resilient modulus is 5,000 psi. So this is 0. Our thickness is 8 by the drawing. This is 8. PT 2.5. EC modulus of elasticity. Modulus of rupture. This is 0. Reliability. This I assumed to be 1 from the table. Coefficient of load transfer coefficient, and then K. This can be calculated from our resilient modulus. K equals this divided by 19.4. That's our... So then we have, this is our final answer. That's the performance of traffic, or result is 8.27 times 10 to the 6. And in the book is 8.5 times 10 to the 6. So